What is matter analytics? You would notice that now with every matter, now you have this nice question mark here that gets introduced, which is called matter analytics. Now, this is a good example where it says here, you don't have any pending invoices, and it shows you a nice picture, of how things look like, that today, like 15% of the retainer could be consumed if you had fully invoiced and if you had done all your trust transfers properly. But have you done that is a good question. So if you would actually hit on matter analytics in 1 second, it will show you what the status of the matter is with respect to your payments and withdrawals. Like for example, here it says one invoice has been generated so far. The deposits and trust are that much. The withdrawals, you only done $50 when you could have done much higher. So that means it looks like you've just withdrawn the disbursement. The balance in trust is 95%, and okay, compared to what was expected to be somewhere closer to 70%. It clearly tells you that the deposit of the trust was done on 1st of October. The last withdrawal of that $50 was done on the 22nd. It tells you that you raised an invoice of 185, you only withdrew 50. That means there's a balance left, which is actually unpaid. The client actually does not owe you anything because there's pending amount left in trust that you need to actually transfer. So let's go ahead and transfer that $135 that's left in trust, and let's see what EULA will say. So once you transfer that, and if you go back to the matter, and if you click on the exact same analytic button, it's going to give you a thumbs up saying that, hey, you've done everything, your trust transfers are all paid in full, there's no pending trust transfer, and the client owes you nothing. So just by clicking the question mark, you now raised your power to understand the matter a little bit better. Your revenue opportunities have been realized better. So to summarize, we strongly recommend on a very regular basis, you just go into several active matters and and just click the question mark just to find out how your matter is actually performing.